by sin square x. Sin square x. See, once again observe the numerator and denominator. See, denominator is monomial, contains only one term. Numerator is a binomial, so split it. That is the method. So we can split the terms or write the, what is the first term in the numerator? 3 cos x divided by denominator is what? Sin square x plus 4 divided by, so denominator, the term is what? Sin square x with respect to x. And now, okay, 3 is there. See, cos x by sin square x. So we can write the sin square x in the denominator as sin x into sin x. Okay, so that I can write this as, okay, 3 cos x by sin square x. Okay, let me show it here. Cos x by, see, sin square x means that is what? Sin x into sin x. Then this cos by sin is what? Cot x. Then 1 by sin is what? Cosecant x. Okay, 1 by sin is cosecant x. Then cos by sin is cot x. So same thing can be written as 3 cot x into cosecant. This one is over. Plus, see, 4. I will write 4 as it is. 1 by sin means what? Reciprocal of sin is cosecant. So I will write it as cosecant square x. 1 by sin square x is cosecant square x. Now we got two terms. Sum is there. Integrate this term and integrate this term separately. So this I will write outside. Integration of cot x into cosecant x with respect to, see, x plus, I will write 4 outside. Integration of cosecant square x with respect to x. Okay. Now we can make use of the formula. See, integration of cot x into cosecant x. What is the formula? Integration of cot x into cosecant x is minus cosecant x. Okay. Integration of cot x into cosecant x is minus cosecant x. That minus comes here. Okay, minus cosecant x. So written 3 as it is. Then see, this 4 remains as it is. What is the formula for integration of cosecant square x? So integration of last term is integration of cosecant square x. Integration of cosecant square x is the formula. Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x, then plus into, see, this minus, plus into minus, minus 4 cot x plus c. So this is our integral. So I hope you are understanding what I am saying. See, these are all the results. Yesterday we have listed the standard formulas. I am using all that. Only thing is I have splitted this, and see, after splitting these terms, 3 cos x by sin square x plus 4 by sin square x. So that becomes what? 3 cot x into cosecant x. Cos by sin is cot, then 1 by sin is cosecant. Then 4 by sin square x means 1 by sin is cosecant. Okay, 4 cosecant square x. So integration of cot x into cosecant x is minus cosecant x. So I have written minus here. Then how it became minus? Integration of cosecant square x is minus cot x. So product of minus into plus, that is minus 4 cot x plus constant of integration. Okay, so in this way we can make use of the results. Then okay, let me from another one. Okay, 8th one. That is, let me write this integrate. So I write one simple example. So yeah, this is very simple here. So we need not worry about this. See, this can be written as, okay, see, cube root of x square. So observe this, cube root of x square. So I have to write this in power form. This is radicand. So write it as it is. So yeah, whole to the power of, then this 3 in the power. Okay, see, x square whole to the power of this 3 becomes reciprocal, that is 1 by 3. That is, see, x square whole to the 1 by 3 means you multiply these powers, 2 into 1 by 3, that will be what? 2 by 3. So this is as good as x to the power of 2 by 3. See, this is very important. X to the power of 2 by 3. Now I can use the power rule. So integration of x to the power of n is x to the power of n plus 1 by n plus 1. That is x to the power of, see, 2 by 3, okay, let me write it here, 2 by 3 plus 1 divided by n plus 1, 2 by 3 plus 1 plus take the constant of integration. So x to the power of, so you take the LCM, so you get 3, so 2 plus 3, that will be what, 5. So that is x to the power of 5 by 3 divided by 5 by 3 plus c. Okay, so cube root of x square means I can write that as x square whole to the 1 by 3, then you can multiply the powers, 2 into 1 by 3, that will be 2 by 3, then we will make use of the power rule. So that is cube root of x square. Okay, this is the 8th example. So you note down all these results. Once again, write down all the results and practice all these examples. We shall consider some more examples or techniques. How can we integrate the functions by using different techniques, and consider some more examples in the next session.